first thing, if you're going with the Revit software, we have to first define the project units. In the last class also, I have given you the project units, but that project units I have shown only as a basic default settings. But here we are going to work with a small task, with a small exercise. So how we are going to start the Revit and how we are going to define the units, that is what we are going to say. So what is the shortcut for the units? UN is the shortcut. In Revit, all the shortcuts are customized. You can able to customize the shortcuts. Like in the AutoCAD, we have got the specific shortcuts, but here in the Revit, we can able to customize as per the requirements. So the display format of the various quantities in a plot can be specified with the help of the units option. The display format specified affects the appearance of the quantities on the screen. Like when you're going to measure the room, it can be in terms of square feet, it can be in terms of square meter or the square millimeter. The same thing, whatever is visible on the screen, it will be on a printout also, nothing but in the hard copy. The format of various data for the information or presentation purpose can also be specified. Project units are grouped by disciplines. As I told you in the last class, common is the main thing what we are going to process. Structure, electrical, mechanical, we have got different disciplines over here. But for all the disciplines, better to go with common only, because if you go with millimeters, if the other discipline go with some other value, what happens? There can be a kind of confusion. The conversion issues may come into picture. So try to go with a common unit for all the services. So when the discipline is changed, a different units type becomes available. In the project unit dialog, the display format of each unit can be previewed, like figure 3 you can see. What is the shortcut we are going to use? UN is a shortcut. So here, follow the same thing which is on the screen when you are going to practice for the first time. So UN is a shortcut. Discipline is the common. Length I am going with millimeters. Area is the square millimeters or the meter square, whatever it is. Volume, meter cube, angle, if you want you can specify, or else you can ignore. And the format will be millimeters, 1 decimal, 2 decimal, you can select. Unit symbol if you want, you can go with mm. Again, click here. Okay. So you can see the same thing. I have opened the Revit software. So here I'm going with architectural template. So select this one, and by default, we are going with the template which is given by the Revit. So here you can see we have got the Revit screen. Okay. So here what I'm going to type, UN is a shortcut. So when you're going to type the UN, what is happening? You will be getting a project units window. Here we have got some options like common, structure, HVAC, electrical, piping, energy. So I'm going to select the common one. Again, length. If you want to go with millimeters, go with millimeters. Rounding decimals 1 or 2, you can select any one. Unit symbol is millimeter. Again, click here. Okay. Next, you can see area. Area means what? Here it should be square millimeters. Then again, we have got the 1 or 2 decimals. Again, the square is a unit symbol over here. Click here. Okay. Then again, the volume, it should be what? Cubic millimeters, because everywhere we have taken the same value. So 1 decimal, 2 decimal, you can select. Again, the cube is a value. Click here. Okay. So everything you can see we have taken the again the square, again the cube. If you want, you can go with feet and inches also. You can go with any value. So once this is done, click here. Okay. So this is the first thing what we need to define whenever we are going to work with any new task.